Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying project settings and available memory, because large raster files slow Coreldraw. Once ready, press Ctrl+I or choose File Import to select your image. This begins the placement process. When the import dialog appears, decide whether to link the file to keep document size small or embed it to make the file portable. Make sure to set the color profile and resolution for raster images now, so colors and sharpness remain consistent later. Once the image is on the page, click or drag to place and size it precisely. Dragging lets you define the initial dimensions immediately. Make adjustments using the property bar. Crop, lock aspect ratio, and set DPI. 300 DPI is a common print standard, so your output is sharp. If you need scalable art, use trace bitmap to convert raster to vector, or use bitmap's convert to bitmap when you require consistent pixel-level edits before applying effects. Finish by placing the image inside frames or power clips for precise layout, and apply non-destructive effects through the object docker so you can still tweak settings. Then export with File Export, selecting the appropriate format and resolution for web or print. Make sure to embed color profiles if required. If the image looks blurry after export, check whether you embedded or linked the file, confirm the source DPI, and avoid upscaling beyond the original pixel dimensions. Fix those and re-export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.